Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 water transport vehicles. Boat, a small watercraft used for fishing or short trips. Ship, a large vessel used for long distance travel and transporting goods. Ferry, a boat that carries people, vehicles, or goods across short water distances. Yacht, a luxurious boat used for leisure and recreation. Submarine, a watercraft that travels underwater for research or military purposes. Canoe, a lightweight, narrow boat paddled by hand, usually on calm waters. Kayak, a small, narrow boat where the paddler sits inside and uses a double bladed paddle. Sailboat, a boat that moves using sails and wind power. Cargo ship, a large ship that carries goods and materials across oceans. Cruise ship, a large passenger ship designed for luxury vacations on the sea. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.